Good morning. The lighting is off. How are you guys doing? Today is I think 7th of no, it should be 7th or 6th after Eid holiday. Happy whatever to Muslims. I forgot Eid Mubarak or Eid Adha. I don't even know what that is. So it's a Saturday. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. My name is CJ. I do beauty and lifestyle content on this channel, and I am currently on a journey of transforming from being married to being a single mom of two adorable kids, 12 and 4. Today's on Saturday. This vlog was supposed to have started last week, so I'm going to share like snippets of last weekend, which weekend was that? It was a holiday. I think my country now has been getting holidays back to back, but it was a holiday, and I went to my best friend, and I had the most amazing. Whether that was the most amazing holiday, let me tell you, because it started amazing on Saturday night. I had the most amazing night, and then on Sunday I hanged up with my friend. I hang out with my bestie at her place, and she's just taking care of me. Like TLC, a girl needs to be taken care of. But I must say, I'm in my happiest moment. I haven't even washed my face or brushed. I just figured let me hold the camera and vlog, because I haven't vlogged in a minute. So whatever you're seeing is my vlogs. Yeah, so I got my nails done. I don't know why it's not focusing the way I wanted to focus. I got stilettos done this time, and let me tell you, they're so sharp. I keep on like grazing myself or something like that. I'm doing laundry. I'm so crusty. I'm doing laundry. I'm finishing up on laundry. So it's on Saturday. I just want to take it through my Saturday. I hope I will. I was supposed to film content for my business store, but I just don't have the moods. Or rather, I have guests who say they are coming today. So I'm just like, will I be able to do content? But I'm gonna call them and find out if they're coming. If they're not, then I can shoot the content. But this is cute. These are my natural nails. Only this is stick on, but these are my nails. I have a very nice nail tech. I'm going to I'm going to leave her details in contact so that you can see. Also, no difference. What else? I've just been living life. One day at a time. So let's just see how that goes. Okay. A very different world that she's used to. What's that? Guys, this is the state of my kitchen after dinner. I did not wash yesterday's utensils, and also sorry so much. Welcome back to the vlog. I totally forgot on Saturday that I was vlogging, and I had much fun with people who came here to visit. They made me chapati, and that's what we had for dinner. This is the most delicious bean stew I've made in a while. So we've had chapati with this. I'm gonna carry a little bit for work tomorrow, then the remaining we'll cook rice in the evening. Yes, so I want to sort out this because I have a meeting at 9. It's 8:30. At 9 for I have a therapy session at 9, so not easy. Also I don't have running water, so I need to wash it the manual way, which is annoying and takes a lot of time. So let me do that, and then I'll catch you guys later. I have orders I want to pack also for my clients for tomorrow, and then I'll give you a backstory of today's purchases. Okay. tango. Here's your paint. Iko sawa? You read. Which page are we reading? What? Every day because it is good to shower. You don't want to shower. You don't want to shower every day. What do you want to do? Just to change. Go take a shower, please. Go take a shower. Guys, I have a lot that I need to do. It's almost 10, it's 9:30. Look at the state of this house. Like, I need to fix everything. Best thing is that I've already done dishes, so that is usually my biggest stress, done dishes. I need to fill these things with water because we might, today's on Wednesday, so water like might go on Sunday thereabout. So I need water to take me up to Tuesday. So I need to fill that up and clean up, then I can go to bed. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do this off camera because I'm exhausted. Yeah.
Got these cute little warm shoes for my boy at 150. He's obsessed, like he has most of it.